2022 has been a bear market for crypto. And as many of you know, we've seen the fall of Luna, the fall of Celsius, the fall of FTX. And with that, within this bear market comes a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. In this video, I'm going to break down what I would say is probably the most important macro message when you're in a bear market. The most important macro message, macro reminder that I'm giving myself, and I'm doing this video right now. And we're going to break down historical evidence, data that plays into what we're talking about. So we see what's happening in this bear market. It's bad. We get that. And here are the headlines that are starting to appear. And this is the warning signs, the indicator, the alerts should be going off right now in our minds. Cryptocurrencies are facing an existential moment and time is running out to align on standards. The fear infused in that headline is what, for me, it spells opportunity. And I'm going to explain why. But check this article out. I'm not going to read through the article, but the industry that emerges post-FTX will not look very much like that which existed pre-FTX. Captain Obvious. That simply won't be allowed, both for political reasons and for financial ones. We're in for a very rough ride. Who said it's a rough ride? Who said that this maturing of the cryptocurrency market post-FTX is a rough ride? We're in a bear market. That's a rough ride. And we've been on these rough rides before. Crypto's a roller coaster. It is a rough ride. Bear markets are rough rides. But who said post-FTX and everything that changes in crypto because of FTX and Luna and Celsius and all of these things, it's not going to be a rough ride. It's a good ride. It's a positive ride. It's a ride of opportunity. That's how I see it. This is how I see it. So we're going to see articles and we're going to see opinions probably from, and I don't know who wrote this. I didn't even look. But I would say from people that haven't experienced the cycles of crypto, and I could be wrong. I just want to say that I didn't do my due diligence into whoever wrote this. But I'm just saying, in this message, it just takes everything out of context. The story that we're living within, that story of crypto. And so I want to document this, and I want to just note that this isn't, the only piece of the negativity and the fear. Here's Peter Schiff. This is crypto extinction. And we're going to go back in history, and I want to show you this on the charts, what all of these things look like on the charts, and how much of an indicator and alarm should be going off right now and why it should be going off. So crypto extinction, says Peter Schiff. Now he sees the total destruction of digital currencies very soon. This is not a crypto winter. This implies spring is coming. This is crypto extinction. By the way, Peter Schiff, his entire business is built around gold. And so ironically, on his website, on his gold website, you can see, even though it's going extinct, pay with cryptocurrency. You can pay with cryptocurrency on Peter Schiff's website. So I think it says a lot right there. But these headlines, they're going to be pouring in right now as we head into the final phase, I would say, of this crypto bear market. There are no guarantees. We've fallen below the macro 786 line, this yellow line. This is an area in the previous bear markets. We've seen Bitcoin. We've been tracking this be falling below the 786 line. It's the bottom range. We could be here for months, as in previous cycles, but we've finally fallen below. It can be a rough ride, this bear market, but I want to show you something. Let's look at this. This is 99bitcoins.com. And what it does is it goes back, and you can just see Bitcoin obituaries. So basically, all of the times where Bitcoin has been pronounced dead, it's over, it's done. And you can actually go through the website and you can look at all of the times over the years. I think it's over 400 times that this happened. Look at this. Bitcoin obituaries. And you can kind of go by date in what year. And so check this out. Here is 2019 of January 1st. No investment strategies are worse than cryptocurrencies. CCN. $3,600 Bitcoin in January of 2021. We go to a Bitcoin chart in January of 2021. This is what's ironic, everybody. Check this out. January of 2021 was right here, literally the bottom range of the bear market. We're seeing this ridiculous Bitcoin is over headline, right? The absolute worst time to say something like that, the absolute worst time to think something like that, and to scream it to the public was at the bottom of the last bear market, and that's what they did. Here's another one. Good news, Bitcoin is becoming worthless. This is December 15th 2018. We go back to this Bitcoin chart. Check this out. December 15th, 2018 was almost at the exact bottom of the Bitcoin bear market. And you can see what happened next for Bitcoin. If we take our price range, Bitcoin, right from that area at the bottom of the bear market, you know, it went up 2,000%. And this article, you can see Bitcoin is becoming worthless. Did it become worthless? No. Everybody, you have to have your alerts on, especially on the zoomed in, meaning when you're on Twitter or YouTube or just scrolling through Google News and crypto news and you're reading headlines of the day, you're going to see ones like this. It's short-term, useless opinion based on absolutely no data. And there's no exact method to getting this right. It's all speculative, everything that we're doing. And this is my opinion. This video is my opinion. But what I'm saying is when we're seeing things like this, and you can see historically the fear when it begins to rise, and now we're seeing it today in these headlines, literally recent headlines, crypto's going extinct. And where are we from just a technical analysis indicator? Where are we? We're in the bottom range of a bear market. And we could see crypto fall. Bitcoin on this chart could fall down to $12,000, but we're in bottom range when these headlines are appearing. We go here, and I want to show you the flip side. If we go to October 25th, 2020, cryptocurrencies are a fad. Best avoided. The times. $12,000, almost $13,000. We're looking at October 25th, 2021. Look at this. I want to show you this because this is extremely relevant. So here's October of 2020, right around here. What was happening there? If we look at this chart, you see this this indicator that I have here. This is a macro bull market high to bear market low, 2018 bear market, and we have that macro green area. That is the bull market doors. This is the macro, just most bullish macro indicator for Bitcoin. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you might remember that time when we broke into that area. We were hype. I was extremely excited because I could finally do the video. Bitcoin has broken through the bull market doors. I was getting excited because we've just tracked it through all of that fear, uncertainty, and doubt, through the bear market, through, this huge March 2020 dip, and we're entering the bull market. And look what's happening. Cryptocurrencies are a fad, best avoided. Does that sound familiar? It was, besides the bear market low, one of the worst times to write an article like that, when we're getting this massive macro indicator being broken. And here we go again. Check this out. This is Bitcoin is over. And this is RIP November 24th, 2020. So again, the very month when Bitcoin broke the bull market doors in November 2020, Bitcoin is over. No, Bitcoin on the macro continuing, getting ready to see some massive bull market gains, confirming the bull market. So here we are, everybody. As I do this video, we are in a bear market bottom range, and the headlines remain to be consistent with that negativity that we've seen throughout previous cycles. And yeah, a lot has gone on with FTX and Celsius and Luna and 3AC and all of this. But guess what? At the end of the day, you and I, we're still here. I'm doing a crypto video. We're in a bear market bottom range from a technical analysis perspective. The crypto space is maturing and it's growing. And I continue to say this right now as I do this video, crypto is under, as a whole, $1 trillion market cap. And this is a space, this is an asset class that very realistically could be worth $100 trillion. Not even in that too far of a distant future. $100 trillion and we're under 1 trillion. For me, I look at that and I say, what would that look like for Bitcoin? What would that look like for altcoins that I own in the macro? And people are being swayed by really ridiculous headlines like this. So I wanted to do a video. I want to break that down real quick. Right now, crypto kind of not doing much as we are in the bottom range. Let me know your thoughts. Please comment below, everybody, what you think about all of this. Please comment below if you've been in the crypto cycles and if you know what I'm saying. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you all in the next video. God bless.